Are you unknowingly harming your body with every sip you take? Welcome, nutrition navigators, to a deep dive into the drinks that could be quietly sabotaging your health journey. We're about to expose the sugary culprits lurking in plain sight and arm you with the knowledge to make healthier choices. Get ready to discover the truth about the danger of certain drinks to avoid for better health. We've all been tempted by the siren song of a brightly coloured can promising a quick energy boost, or the sweet satisfaction of a fizzy drink. But what lurks beneath those enticing exteriors? Often it's far from refreshing. These drinks disguise themselves as quick pick-me-ups or thirst quenchers, but they deliver a hefty dose of sugar, artificial ingredients, and empty calories. Those sugary concoctions might give you a temporary high, but what goes up must come down. And when it comes to sugar crashes, the fall can be brutal, leaving you feeling sluggish and craving more sugary fixes. Energy drinks, with their promises of enhanced focus and endurance, often harbour another danger stimulant. Excessive caffeine can lead to problems like anxiety, insomnia, heart palpitations, and even addiction. It's time to see these drinks for what they truly are. Cleverly marketed products designed to hook you on a roller coaster of sugar highs and energy crashes. Now, let's talk about the unwelcome guest in your body after you consume these sugary beverages and energy drinks. The negative health impacts of these drinks are numerous and far-reaching. We're not just talking about a few extra pounds around the waistline. Excessive sugar intake is a leading cause of type 2 diabetes. When you overload your body with sugar, your pancreas goes into overdrive trying to produce enough insulin. Over time, this constant strain can lead to insulin resistance and eventually diabetes. High sugar intake is also linked to heart disease, the #1 killer worldwide. Sugar raises your blood pressure, increases triglyceride levels, and contributes to plaque buildup in your arteries. Your liver, responsible for filtering toxins, can develop fatty liver disease from too much fructose, leading to serious liver conditions. These drinks are silent saboteurs of your health, chipping away at your well-being with every sip. Let's uncover some lesser-known facts about these beverages that might surprise you. These are the hidden dangers, the subtle ways these drinks can impact your health. First up, addiction. Stimulants in energy drinks like caffeine and guarana can be highly addictive. They create a cycle of dependence, where you need more to achieve the same effect. Sugar itself can be highly addictive, triggering the release of dopamine, the feel-good hormone, in the brain. This creates a reward pathway, making you crave sugary drinks even more. Long-term effects include an increased risk of certain cancers, like pancreatic, liver, and colorectal cancer. These drinks can also wreak havoc on your dental health, leading to cavities and gum disease. The more we learn, the more important it becomes to limit our intake and protect our health. The truth is, we are still learning about the full extent of the damage these drinks can inflict on our bodies. Now that we've explored the dark side of sugary beverages and energy drinks, let's shift our focus to healthier alternatives. There are plenty of delicious and refreshing drinks that won't sabotage your health goals. First and foremost, nothing beats the original thirst quencher water. Plain, simple, and essential for life, water should be your go-to beverage throughout the day. If you're looking for more flavor, try infusing your water with fresh fruits, vegetables, or herbs. Cucumber, lemon, mint, ginger, berries, the possibilities are endless. Another great option is unsweetened tea. Green tea in particular is packed with antioxidants and has numerous health benefits. If you're craving something bubbly, try sparkling water. You can find plain or naturally flavored varieties without added sugars. Making healthier drink choices doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. With a little creativity, you can find plenty of delicious and refreshing alternatives that will nourish your body and support your overall health. So there you have it, nutrition navigators, the truth about the danger of certain drinks to avoid for better health. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you have the power to make informed choices that will protect your health and well-being. Every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle counts. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. If you found this information helpful, please share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the message of healthy hydration far and wide. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better health. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future episodes. This is your nutrition navigator signing off.